Welcome to our channel, where we help you unlock your full potential. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful stories of individuals who transformed their lives and proved that change is always possible. Let's dive in. Story 1. The Man Who Conquered Fear. Visual. A man standing on the edge of a cliff, looking determined. Narrator. Meet Joe, who once had crippling anxiety. For years, he let fear control his life until he decided to take action. Joe started small, making daily gratitude lists and stepping out of his comfort zone, one step at a time. A year later, Joe gave a speech to hundreds of people, inspiring others to conquer their fears. His story teaches us, courage is not the absence of fear, but taking action despite it. Story 2. The Woman Who Lost Everything But Rebuilt Herself. Visual. A woman rebuilding a house, smiling with friends. Narrator. After a devastating natural disaster, Sarah lost her home and job. Instead of giving up, she chose resilience. Sarah learned new skills, started a small online business, and volunteered to help others in her community. Today, she's thriving and reminds us adversity can spark a new beginning. Story 3. From obesity to marathon runner. Visual before and after photos of a man's fitness transformation. Narrator. Mike weighed over 300 pounds and felt trapped in unhealthy habits. One day, he decided to take a short walk, and that walk became a run. After 2 years of consistent effort, Mike completed his first marathon. His story proves consistency is the key to transformation. 6. Work on your passion. Visual. Someone painting, playing an instrument, or working on a side hustle. Narrator. Passions give life purpose and joy. Spend time every day doing what you love. Whether it's a hobby or a career dream, nurture it. 7. Practice discipline. Visual. A person avoiding distractions and focusing on work. Narrator. Success is built on discipline. Stick to your commitments, avoid procrastination, and train yourself to stay consistent, even when it's tough. 8. Reflect on your progress. Visual. Someone journaling or reviewing their day. Narrator. Take a few minutes to reflect. What went well today? What could be improved? Regular self-assessment helps you grow and stay aligned with your goals. 9. Manage your finances. Visual. Someone budgeting or reviewing expenses. Narrator. Financial stability is key to peace of mind. Review your expenses, save, and invest wisely. Building healthy money habits ensures long-term security. 10. Rest and recharge. Visual. Someone sleeping peacefully or relaxing with a book. Narrator. Don't forget to rest. Sleep is crucial for your physical and mental well-being. Make time to unwind and recharge so you can face the next day with full energy. Inspirational montage of a sunrise, people smiling and achieving their goals. Remember, greatness is built on the foundation of daily habits. Work on these 10 things every day and watch your life transform. Start today, because your future self will thank you. Subscribe button and call to action. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips. See you in the next video.